In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Help Scout reports. If you're new to reporting in Help Scout, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what you're looking at, and how to refine the data so it answers the questions you care about. Start by signing in to your Help Scout account using a profile that has reporting access, either an admin role or a user with permission to view reports. If you don't see the Reports option in your top navigation, that usually means your access level needs to be updated by an admin. Once you're in, head to the Reports section from the top menu. This is your hub for all the built-in reports that Help Scout provides. You'll see options like All Channels, Email, and Team Performance, among others. Each one focuses on a different slice of your support operations. All Channels gives you a broad overview across communication types, Email zeroes in on your inbox-based conversations, and Team Performance highlights how your team is handling the workload. These reports surface essentials like ticket volume, first and average response times, resolution times, trends over time, and more. Choose the one that aligns with the question you're trying to answer. Simply click Reports and then select the report you want to explore, such as All Channels, Email, or Team. Now let's refine what you're seeing. Filters are where your reports get truly useful. Start with the date range. Pick a window that matches the story you need. Last 7 days for a quick pulse, last 30 for monthly trends, or custom dates for a specific campaign or busy season. Keep your comparisons consistent so you can spot real changes rather than one-off spikes. Next, use the Inbox filter to focus on a specific mailbox. If you have multiple brands, products, or regions, this helps isolate performance and volume where it matters. Tags are another powerful filter. If you tag conversations by issue type, feature request, or campaign, you can instantly see how those categories impact volume and response times. Combine tags with date ranges to track before and after effects of a launch or a policy change. If your plan includes custom fields, take advantage of them to slice data by details unique to your workflow, things like priority, subscription tier, or product line. Well-structured custom fields make it easy to compare like for like, and they help you narrow reports to specific teams, tags, or types of conversations. As you apply filters, the charts and metrics update in real time. Keep your focus on the report that best answers your question, refine with filters, and you'll turn raw data into clear, actionable insights.